Okay, so in today's video I will share with you my August favorites. These are products that I've been really enjoying and using a lot this month. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. First thing I'm going to show you is this palette. This is by Allure Pop, and the reason that I love this palette so much is because it's a cool tone palette and the packaging is just so beautiful. But besides the packaging, if we open it up, I do believe I did a makeup tutorial with this palette, but it's just so pretty. Look at these shades. I can use it for work. I can use it when I want a more glam look. It's just so pretty, in the pigmentation. Love Color Pop so much. Beautiful mattes and shimmers. Next thing I've been loving is this brush because it's so beautiful and soft. This is by e.l.f. This is a part of their Jelly Pop collection, and I like to use this for blush. I think is the perfect size for blush. Is nice and soft, but it's nice and firm too, but not too firm. So it's just like perfect for me, at least for blush. Use it for powder too, it depends, but for powder I prefer something more like a bulky flat brush, like let's say this one. I just love that to apply my pressed powder. But yeah, this is just beautiful. You could even use it for contouring, and I love it, and it's so different. And you see it just says e.l.f. Jelly Pop. It's cute. So I have been loving this primer from Catrice. I had it for a while when I did one of my hauls from Ulta. Oh my god, am I obsessed. Like, I'm not only obsessed with their foundation that I also reviewed, and forget about the colors, like the perfect match. This, love it, and I was thinking about doing a review separately for it, like showing you how it applies, how it looks. But this is oil free. You know how I love oil free, and it doesn't feel silicone-y. It feels very lightweight. It just comes out white like that, which I wasn't expecting at all. I'm so excited to try more things from this brand. Everything I try seems to work really well. This helps me stay nice and matte. The price is amazing. It really helps my foundation last. The other thing I've been loving is this powder from CYO. I have reviewed their foundation as well since it worked for me. Ran out of my powder, my IT Cosmetics that you know I rave about so much, that you know what, I tried their foundation, why not check out their powder. The only thing about this powder, the pressed powder, is that it didn't come in translucent, but it's fine. A whole review on this if you're interested. This one is in the color Light. It works well, and says, like, if you want to know all my thoughts on this, I'm not gonna bore you and talk 100 hours here for this, but this is amazing. This one, you guys, every time, like, I don't wear a lot of like red lipstick, though red is my favorite color. I'm just like, when I do my videos I like to experiment more, but I'm usually like more boring when I go outside. But every time I wear this, you guys ask me, what is that, what lip color is it? And a lot of times when I put any red lipstick on my videos, it's usually the Stila Stale Day liquid lipstick in the color Base. Seriously, the formulation, I'm obsessed. Obviously it's not going to be everybody's favorite, but it feels like a whipped consistency. It's just so nice and smooth. It's not runny. It's just beautiful. I've seen it in TJ Maxx. An insane price, so definitely worth it. If you never tried these, try the formula, you may fall in love. This one is this primer. I have a mini. I thank God I've tried so many different primers because this one is so pricey. This is by Hourglass, and this is all I have left. This is the Mineral Veil primer. I've probably put it in my favorites, but seriously, this is just I love it. If you've ever tried it, like, this is so good for oily skin, and even I would think even for dry skin, it just feels really good. It just makes your foundation look flawless. The big size, I believe, is like 50 something, and I just love it. I love it so much. Thing is this houtou palette, which you guys know that I received it maybe like what, 3 weeks ago in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's usually eyeshadow palettes and like lip products that I have reviewed from Houtou, but this is a really nice palette, and my favorite shade, I would say, it's this one here, Seychelles. I don't die for this one. I did do a whole video like showing you guys me applying it and everything, but it's really nice. And this is in the Golden Sands edition. The packaging is beautiful. Really been enjoying this shade, and these are not bad either. It's just this one that I'm just like, all right, you're okay. They do come like in 3 different editions. Again, this is the Golden Sands. You guys know that I'm always testing out like new eyeliners, like liquid liners, because that's what I use on the top. Nothing helps me with my wing like this e.l.f. one. Like I've mentioned it, I've done tutorials using this, showing you I suck at eyeliner. I'm even worse depending on like the liquid liner that I use. Some like the tip is just horrible. Everything about it is just like perfect, and it's so affordable, and it doesn't run on me. I feel like it does run like if I put it like on this part, but here like my wing, it doesn't run, and nothing has beat it as of now. I'm sorry if sometimes I repeat stuff in my favorites, but I'm telling you the truth, what I use a lot. So I love like minty things on my lips. I love plumping things on my lips. Of course, you guys may know already that I'm obsessed with the Buxom White Russian lip gloss, and it's a plumping formula. It's what I have on right now. It's just the perfect color. I love it when I have very light makeup, when I have like a smoky eye. It just looks so beautiful, and I love the minty sensation because I bother my lips so much, and the minty sensation, that's why I like Carmex Stex and stuff like that, or Medex, because it just helps. When I feel something minty, it just helps. And seriously, the color is just to die for. I did get that full size. I was lucky to find it like in a TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Like so lucky that they had that shade. That could be pricey, and it's hard to find. That shade gets sold out all the time. This here that I'm going to show you, which is super random, but I do have to include because it's amazing and I have to talk about it. But there's a con to it, big time con. So this is not beauty, but it's like body care. This, I don't even know how you say this brand of deodorant, but it's a natural deodorant, which I've been like super into, and it's really hot here in New York. Tried many different deodorants and nothing works like this one, but there is a problem. I have a reaction to this, but I insist that I still have to wear it because nothing works. Like I have to take the subway, I have to walk like 15 minutes going, 15 minutes coming, and I feel like all sweaty and disgusting, but I don't stink. Like I do not stink. This is the bergamot and lime natural deodorant, exact scent, okay? But the thing is, it like burns after a couple of days, and then you start like getting, I wouldn't say like a rash, but it's sensitive, it hurts, it's red, and it hurts. Like I would just put my arms like that. I insist in using it, and is, you know why? Because it's not like super smooth. It does say that you have to hold it for a bit so it can get a little warm and it won't be like as rough to distribute it. But look, I'm like literally done with this. I know that they sell a lot of different scents for this. I did buy also, I think, what was it, pineapple or something, but there's something about this one. Maybe that's why it's like strong, and I've seen like reviews because I was reading like maybe it's just me, but no, several people have had like the same reaction to this, so it's definitely not for like sensitive skin. I don't know which of the ingredients in this is causing that. Some of that same brand that is formulated for sensitive skin, but this one is the one that works. Just had to share it just in case, you never know. Well, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.